You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We are about to go downstairs and clean out the basement. I'm gonna change out this laundry real quick and we're gonna run down there and clean it. It is a disaster. My girls made a huge mess last night, so their dad gave them an ultimatum to get that cleaned before he gets home today. So let's go ahead and get started.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge?
Put in the dryer?
I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright.
Usually they love helping with the laundry. Not today.
Starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone.
So now it was time to go down into the basement, and this is just a quick overview of what was going on here. My girls had just made a disaster of the Easter eggs and also all of the balls from their ball pit, so we just needed to get this tidied up.
It's kinda quiet in my room right now without you, and I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone.
This seriously felt like it was taking forever, but in reality, it really didn't take too long.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break, I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, this time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound.
My girls were supposed to be helping, but they kind of just would help for about 30 seconds and then go back to playing. But they kind of enjoy helping do these types of things when we're just sorting stuff. And this is always like good chores to start kids out on, is just putting things in piles. And as you guys can see here, Kenzie was having so much fun putting all of the broken balloons into the trash can.
This time we could break, I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, this time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound.
is pretty bad. So all the white specks you guys see are like wax and stuff. My girls got into my wax again. So like this, that's what's, the floor looks like this in a lot of places, but it's kind of hard to tell on camera.
If you guys watched my Dollar Tree cleaning supply haul, like review video, my first time trying them out, then you would have seen this foaming carpet cleaner. And you guys will know that I love this stuff. So if you didn't see that video, I'm telling you guys again, this stuff smells so good. And I came back down here like the next day just to see, because if you guys have a basement, you probably know it can kind of get a little musky smelling over time. And using this on it, I came down here the next day to see if it was still smelling fresh, and it really was. It probably lasted about 2 days down there, but it really smelled great. So once again, just like I said last time, I'll tell you guys this would be great to use right before company, especially if they're going to be going down at the basement or, you know, anywhere in your home right before company. Oh, I highly recommend it for that purpose. And again, you can get this at the Dollar Tree.
Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, in my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me
It's not perfect, but it is much improved. And this stuff right here needs to go in my back storage room. The stuff on the stairs needs to go upstairs. And I wouldn't actually be embarrassed for people to come down here now. We do have all of this baby stuff to donate. As you guys can see, it's like our baby section. Then my candles area is not the best, but it's not terrible. I'm gonna share a recipe with you guys, and then we'll be done with this video.
The recipe I'm sharing with you guys today is so super simple and delicious. It's Louisiana dirty rice stuffed in bell peppers. So you're going to need some mozzarella cheese and some Parmesan cheese, bell peppers, 1 pound of ground beef, and 1 pound of pork sausage, 4 to 5 cups of rice. And instead of water, you're gonna prepare this rice in chicken broth just for extra flavor. I believe this recipe actually called for 4 cups of rice cooked, and I put 4 cups of rice raw. So it probably should have been 2 cups raw, so it makes 4 cups when it's done. So I believe I read that incorrectly. Just wanted to mention that in case you guys decide to make this, but the recipe will be linked down below. You're also going to need onion, celery, flour, baking grease or cooking oil, some bay leaves, some fresh parsley chopped up, dried oregano, dried thyme, minced garlic, salt, chili powder, ground black pepper, and cayenne pepper. Now, this sounds like a lot of ingredients, but you guys will probably have most of those in your cabinet, and this really was super simple to prepare. You're just going to heat up your baking grease or cooking oil and then brown your beef and sausage together, and then as it starts to get brown, you're going to add your diced bell pepper, onion, and celery. For me, I would then go ahead and strain my meat. Then you're going to add your flour and then stir in all your herbs and spices except for the parsley. Mix that together until the flour starts to coat the meat, and then you're going to add your broth and your bay leaves and just scrape the bottom of the pan to loosen up any brown bits. And you're going to allow that to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then fold in your rice and your parsley, and then simmer for a final 5 minutes, and then your rice is done. Now you can eat this just like it is, or you can put these in bell peppers like I did. So to put them in bell peppers, you're just going to cut your bell peppers in half. Now you can just cut the tops off and fill them that way, or you can cut them like in half lengthwise, which I like to do because I find that my bell peppers get a little more soft when I cut them like this. So That's really personal preference. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 and then start stuffing your peppers. Each pepper will hold about 1 cup to 1.5 cup of rice. Then you're going to want to spray your pan with cooking spray and then place your peppers down in there and top with the shredded Parmesan. And you're going to bake in your preheated 350-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Then for the last 10 minutes of cook time, tint a piece of aluminum foil over the dish just to prevent it from drying out or over browning. And then when it's done, you're going to allow it to cool for about 5 minutes. Top with fresh parsley if you'd like to serve. And these came out so delicious. I really think that your whole family will love this meal.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.